Hi, I'm Jerry with Garage Floors by Closet Factory. We're here in Coral Springs, Florida to conduct a concrete moisture test. Today we're going to be using this device and I'm going to show you how it's done.
This is the Tramex CMEX5. It's able to detect moisture in the concrete. High levels of moisture in the concrete can lead to serious issues such as peeling, bubbling, delamination of your coating over time. Without proper moisture control, hydrostatic pressure can build beneath the coating, eventually causing it to lift and separate from the surface. Here we are mixing the chemicals for our moisture mitigation coating. If we detect high moisture, we will install this specialized coating to prevent any of the issues mentioned. The chemicals are poured out, then rolled seamlessly on the floor, holding back the excessive moisture that can damage your new floor coating system.
That concludes the application of the moisture mediation system. Thanks for checking us out.